I'm Cindy Encarnacion, and I'm the Director of Life Sciences at the St. Louis Science Center. This is a 370 plus gallon tank that was donated to the Science Center by a very generous individual, and we're very happy to have it here. It's really brand new, and right now you'll see the tank with a lot of fish and soft corals and hard corals and some other invertebrates. But as visitors come back to the Science Center, they will see a lot of changes because we'll continually get new species in, and they'll just see a lot of the different interactions that take place between these various forms of marine life in the tank. So we use a biological filter, and this is what's dumping here and creating that very soothing, current throughout the aquarium. It's called an algae scrubber. So the algae scrubber uses a system where there are screens inside seeded with algae. And so this is replicating what actually happens out in the ocean. Whenever the classroom, this space, is not being used by a school program, we're going to open up the doors and visitors can come on in. This exhibit really talks about the interactions of the various species of marine animals and plants in an ecosystem. And so what we're trying to replicate here is a Pacific coral reef system, where they're going to see, over time, all these rocks here might be, encrusted with other forms. So maybe soft corals and hard corals will be growing, and they're going to be spreading out. So there's a lot of, symbiosis that occurs. A lot of us are familiar with Nemo, the clownfish, and its relationship with the anemone. They'll get to see that because we will get a shipment of clownfish. And really talking about how this balance between salinity, nutrients, light, the flow of water through the system, it's so important to maintain. So even for an aquarist, just somebody who wants to set up their own aquarium at home, there's much to learn from our aquarium here.